Today I will discuss Minless-Perichter character method. Minless-Perichter formula of order 4 is y4p is equals to y0 plus 4h by 3 2f1 minus f2 plus 2f3, and Minless character formula of order 4 is y4c is equals to y2 plus h3 by h by 3 f2 plus 4 f3 plus f4. Try to understand the process with some example. I have selected one question for you. Compute y at x equals to 0.5 by Minless-Perichter character method from dy dx is equals to 2 e to the power x minus y. Given that y 0.1 is equals to 2.0100, y of 0.2 is equals to 2.0401, y of 0.3 is equals to 2.0907, and last y of 0.4 is equals to 2.1621. What is your last value of x? 0.4. What is your requirement? 0.5. That is the next number. You want to find the value of y next to that. Okay. Now, answer. First you write down what is your given ordinary differential equation. Dy dx is equals to 2 e to the power x minus y. On the right side you write down dy dx is equals to fxy. That is a general. Now if I compare both, what we have, fxy is equals to 2 e to the power x minus y. Now, what are the initial condition we have? Y 0.1 is equals to 2.0100. From here you can calculate, we can get x0 is equals to 0.1 and y0 is equals to 2.0100. Similarly, from the next condition, x1 is equals to 0.2, y1 is equals to 2.0401. From the third condition, x2 is equals to 0.3, y2 is equals to 2.0907. From the last condition, y of 0.4 is equals to 2.1621. From where you can get x3 is equals to 0.5, y3 is equals to 2.1621. Okay. What is our target? We want to find the value of y at x equals to 0.5, that is x4, because x3 is 0.4. What is your next number? 0.5. That is, you want to find the value of y at x equals to 0.4, that is y4 you want to calculate. Now, to find the y4 value, we have to calculate first f1. What is f1? Functional value at x1, y1. You know what is your x1, what is your y1 from the previous calculation from here. Okay, what is your f1? F1 functional value of x1, y1. Now substitute and find the value. f1 is equals to, what is your f1? f1 is equals to 0.4027. Similar way, you calculate f2. f2 is the functional value of at x2, y2. Similarly, you have f2 is equals to this, f1 is equals to this, and last f3 is equals to this. Same way, f3 means functional value at x3, y3. What is your function? Your function is fxy is equals to 2 into e to the power x minus y. Next, here h is equals to 0.1. How to decide h? The gap between two consecutive values of x. So you have x0, x1, x2, x3. So you can calculate the gap between any two consecutive x value. Okay. Now, since 4 initial values are given, that is n equals to 4, Now Mill-Less Perichter formula of order 4 is, this order 4 is coming from here. Order 4 is y4p is equals to y0 plus 4h by 3 into 2f1 minus f2 plus 2f3. Bracket complete. Now substitute the value y0, h, f1, f2, f3 in this equation, from where we can calculate the value of y4p. What is y4p? That is, after simplification you have 2.2552. So y4 means y4 value is coming from x value, that is at x equals to x4 is equals to 0.5. So this value of y is coming from predicted formula. Now you have to use corrector formula to modify this. To use corrector formula, your requirement is F4. What is F4? Functional value of x4 and y4. So this y4 is coming from here and this x4 is coming from here. Now substitute. After simplification you have F4 is equals to this. Again, Mill-Less corrector formula of order 4 is y4c, c stands for corrector formula, is equals to y2 plus h by 3 f2 plus 4f3 plus f4. Our next step, to substitute the value y2, h, f2, f3 and f4 to this relation or to this formula. Now substitute all one by one. After substituting, we have y4c is equals to 2.2553. That is your corrector formula. So there, after getting the corrector formula, y4 is equals to 2.2553. So therefore the value of y is 2.2553 at x equals to 0.5, which is our requirement. So this is all about the process. If process is clear, I want to give you one home task so that you can check your knowledge. Compute y at x equals to 0.4 by Mill-Less Perichter corrector method, where ordinary differential equation is dy dx equals to xy plus y square, with initial condition y0 is equals to 1, y of 0.1 is equals to 1.1169, y of 0.2 is equals to 1.2773, and last y of 0.3 is equals to 1.5040. After solving, you should send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.